Welcome to the assembly guide for the Kiki walker manufactured by Toysphere. The box includes main body, wheels, rattles, batteries. Take the main body, insert wheels as shown. Unfold the walker by pulling the rings in an outward direction. Fix the seat on the top. Unscrew the tray from below as shown. Detach the tray as shown. Open the battery cover. Insert cells as per polarity. Close the battery cover. Fix the tray on the top. Tighten it with screws. Press the button for light music. Insert rattles as shown. Adjust the height as per requirement. Your baby walker is ready to use.